Question number 17 wants us to find the sine of 570. Now 570 is too big for the unit circle, so I need to find a coterminal angle, meaning an equivalent angle. So to do that, we're allowed to add or subtract 360 for degrees, or 2 pi for radians, but we're allowed to subtract 360 as many times as we need to get it to a value in between 0 and 360. So if I subtract 360 once, that should be enough. And this will give me sine of 210 degrees. Now again, sine on the unit circle, you're looking for the y-coordinate, and of 210 degrees, that's down here, and the y-coordinate would be -1/2. And then sine of 90 degrees, again sine, you're finding the y-coordinate. 90 degrees is right here, and the y-coordinate is just 1. And that'll be our answer.